guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go through my last Boxycharm box. I did get it 2 days ago, just haven't had time to do a video. Busy. You think that summer was busy and now fall, which seems to be a little busy. So, but yeah, this month's box is smaller. You can see by this, and it's lighter, so it just feels like there's not that much in it. And how do I feel about not getting Boxycharm anymore? Okay, you know, I wanted to try it, and I did for 6 months, and now this is our last box, and so I'm going to open it up with you guys, and yeah, so let's do it. You guys can see when I'm opening it now, and that the camera's farther away. So here we go, first up. Okay. This month's theme, BTS. And as always, the descriptions of the products in the box. Let's start. First thing here, let's just open this up. Of course, it will come out. Okay, it's a nice leathery type pouch. Elena Badro. Probably put my glasses on. Elena Badro, yeah. And we have makeup brushes. Open one here. It's already a little frayed at the bottom there. I'm not happy about that, but it's her name on it. Okay. Soft, pretty. Everything a brush should be, I guess. Let's read about it here. Baby blue set. $58. So, yeah, $58, I guess. I don't understand that, but I guess I don't even know who this person is. But the brushes are pretty. The pouch is nice. It has her name, for some reason, engraved on the front. Nice little bag here. You just put this away. Actually, I probably don't need that. Next thing we have here is Real Her Gold Digger Moisturizing Lipstick. I like the packaging, like the color, chromey type thing. This is the lipstick, Gold Digger, and by Real Her Moisturizing Lipstick. Okay, here's the color. What is this color? It just says Gold Digger. Let's see what about. Over time, encapsulated water is released from the lipstick, providing hydration to your lips. Not only is each shade infused with jojoba seed oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, but each lipstick provides all-day hydration with a creamy, smooth application. Let's try it, shall we? It's a little dark, but hey. Let's see. Oh, that's different. Okay, well, that's what color it is. So, let's put this back. Felt like trying it. So that's very nice lipstick. Let's see what else we have here. Put it like this so you guys can see. St. Luke's Brow Gel. Oh, the real lipstick I just had was $18. This brow gel is $22. guess you just, if your brows are going a little crazy, put stuff on it. It looks kind of dry. Oh, it has some stuff. Huh. I've never used brow gel, so probably won't be using that. But that's what that looks like. Okay. Next we have this Glow Getter Face Palette Bling. Long wear and effortless. This retails for $50. Let's open it up. Actually, we can see on the back the colors. I'm guessing it's like blush and contour maybe. Okay. So blush and highlighter. Nice colors. Have to use that. Comes with a nice big mirror here. All right. I hope you guys can hear me. Sometimes I look at when I'm editing my videos, I can hardly hear myself, so sorry about that. Sometimes I'm getting into the zone, you know. This is Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream. They gave me a lot of eye creams here. Looks like this. With a long tip. Okay, so this sells for $46. Have you noticed that eye creams and anti-aging products and all that are so expensive in the pharmacies and stuff? So annoying. Anyway, this has a shield boosted with antioxidant, age defense, and anti-stress ingredients. You could use that right now. Anti-stress. Designed to help to look of fine lines and prevent first signs of skin aging. New launch. Okay, well, I guess I'll be trying that. So yeah, let me put these back in. You can see everything. Tell me what you liked the best out of this box and what you didn't like the best. There we go. Okay, I can take these glasses off now. Yeah, so that's the last of this boxes. I probably will not be getting them again. But I did enjoy getting them and wondering what was coming every month for the last 6 months. But, you know, you go through things and some things are over. So I'll have to decide what to do next. As far as videos, probably more makeup and things like that. Since I haven't done that many makeup videos in the last 6 months to a year. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I know this is a short video, not even 9 minutes long, but just wanted to say hi, go through the box with you, and hope you're having a good time, a good day today, and be blessed in everything you do. Thanks, bye.